Hey, what's going on? Ben from Ben's Chem Videos here, and today I thought I'd show you an example of some of the shit that is keeping me busy and preventing me from doing my chemistry tutorial videos. So in my last video I mentioned that the big project that I'm involved in right now is a shower remodel, so let's go take a look at it. So this is it right here, as you can see. So this used to be a shower slash tub. As you can see here, the valve is pretty down low. It's designed for a tub spout to be shooting water down here, and then you push this shut off thing in here, and then it diverts the water up to the shower head, which I've removed. So what I'm going to do is I'm basically going to convert these water supply lines here to copper using shark bite fittings. And then I'm going to basically raise the valve. I'm not going to use this valve. I actually bought a valve that I'm going to install. And I'm going to raise it up to about here because I'm converting this to just a shower with no tub. And it would be weird to have to bend over to adjust the water just for a shower. So that's what we're going to do. So the first thing that I'm going to do is I'm going to create a space for my valve to be mounted. Now I looked on the internet and just searching for like a standard size, or a standard height rather, for the valve to be, and the internet told me that about 48 inches high is a standard shower valve height without a bathtub. So I've marked that here. This is 48 inches from the bottom. So what I'm going to need to do is I'm going to need you to cut me a 2x4 that spans this distance here in order to mount my valve to it. So let's see how long that is. Looks to be about 18 7/8 inches. So I think I'll go just a little bit less, so I'll go with 18 13/16. And I'll cut that piece of 2x4 to put it in place. Alright, let's do it. Alright, so I got my 2x4 right here. I'm going to make a measurement of 18 13/16. That is Otto, my dog that you can hear right now. He's a Black Lab Golden Retriever mix. Maybe I'll feature him in one of these videos. So 18 13/16 looks to be about right there. Somewhere like that. And then I'll go ahead and throw that on my miter box here. This would be a heck of a lot easier if I had a power miter saw, but I don't really do these projects a whole lot that would necessitate an expensive power tool, so I'm doing it the old Stone Age way. So unfortunately this miter box isn't quite as tall as my 2x4 here, so that short little space between the top of the miter box and the top of the 2x4, it'll be a little bit freehand cutting, so I won't get a completely straight cut, or in all likelihood I won't get a completely straight cut, but it should still be acceptable. Brenna, hey, just play with your tablet. Don't go downstairs. Don't go downstairs. Don't do it. Go play with that tablet. Look. Did you poop your pants? Alright, so we got our 18 13/16 inch 2x4 here. Split the wood a little bit at the very end there. We got impatient, but it should still work. So we're ready to install it. Alright, as you can see, it's pretty much level, so we're good to install our valve. Now I'm going to remove this existing 2x4 here, to which the old valve is still mounted. That was the fun part, getting these nails out.